so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man, coming at y'all with another video. In this video right here, man, I pretty much just did out of the blue. You know what I'm saying? I keep getting a lot of questions and a lot of like they always ask me. Y'all keep asking me, man. Poppy Blasted. Right? What's next with your channel? You know, you gonna keep on doing wave videos forever. You know what I'm saying? It made me think too. It's 2018. I've been doing wave videos for like since I had my first son, bro. Like in 2013. Oh, what? 2014. I started taking it serious though in 2015. So that's 3 years straight. So, but 2014 is when I made my channel and I first started doing the videos. So yeah, it's been about what, four years? And I didn't taught a lot of things. I didn't taught y'all everything, you feel me? I didn't, man, from scalping to showing you guys how to get waves from the scalp. You know what I'm saying? Showing you guys how to shift, you know what I'm saying? From 720 to 360s. You know, I didn't show y'all a lot of things. I mean, it's really no, you know, I'll keep doing videos if y'all want me to, but at the end of the day, if you think about it, it's like, you could do like updates and you know what I'm saying, and stuff like that, and like, you know, new videos, like as far as like, you know, like for example, like I did like a video I done already before. I could do like reactions to it or something, you know what I'm saying. I could do, like I said, updates on a video I did in 2017. I could do it again on the 2018, switch it up or whatever. I mean, I pretty much showed y'all everything I know. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still keep on doing that if y'all want me to, but you know, y'all keep telling me like, you know, what's next? Well, not a lot, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all still love my wave videos. Y'all still watch them, of course. But, you know, and then I'm always getting, it's like, is the wave game dead? You know what I'm saying? I'm keeping it alive, you feel me? I do what I can, I keep it alive. You know, I got a brilliant support system, you feel me? I have a great page, wave group, Naturally Waves on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we rocking over there, you feel me? We got it's pretty much the best 360 wave group in the wave community. You know what I'm saying? That's not because we have a lot of members. We have the most members of every wave group, but it's not because of that. It's just because we, you know what I'm saying, we cool, you feel me? We different, you know what I'm saying? We all stay on our positive stuff and we don't throw that negative shade towards nobody. But I always get shade towards me. All the time. I mean, like, I always get it towards me. It don't really bother me, but then sometimes I think like, dang, why do niggas hate me so bad? Like, I hate me so much. Like, damn, I'm just one person, bro. I'm just PB, you feel me? Like, y'all watch me a lot, you feel me? Like, you know, and it's a good thing though, because I need that hate, and that's what keep me pushing, right? Honesty Dream? Say what's up, Honesty? Huh? That's what keep me pushing and keep me, you know what I'm saying, grinding for y'all and for my kids, you feel me? So the hate part ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? I get that all the time, I'm used to it. You know what I'm saying? LeBron get hate too. Kobe get hate too. You feel me? Steph Curry get hate too. You feel me? All the greats get hated on. And then, you know, and then you either let it tear you down, you either let it break you, or you can use it as motivation and keep pushing. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I've been doing, because I've been getting hated for a long time. You copy, you do this, you do that. Really? Come on, my nigga. Like, I've been doing this wave shit for a long time. Think about that. You know what I'm saying? People that say I'm copying them and shit, I've been doing it before them. So how the fuck I'm copying you? But let's not go on that subject, man. We talking about, should I stop doing the videos? You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know, comment below right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know it's 2018, man. I love all you guys, you feel me? I love the support, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got a real deal, you feel me? Y'all always keep it 100 with me. And I always keep it 100 with y'all, and also I love the recommendations. So whatever y'all have, whatever y'all got in plan, I got stuff in mind though. I got stuff in mind for this channel, trust me. You know, I got the pranks coming, you feel me? We got the reactions. I'm about to do dumb reactions to everything. Y'all finna say like, damn, this thing's the reaction to that? Yup, it sure did. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that y'all don't know, like, I'm gonna be like, yeah, and stuff that y'all know, and y'all be like, okay, I didn't even know PB watched them, or what? I'm reacting to everything, bro. So we gonna be litter. We was already lit in 2017, but we about to be litter. Okay, let me real talk. So it's about to go down, man. But Yeah, man, what else I got? What else we gonna talk about? Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So y'all make sure y'all let me know what y'all want me to do next. If y'all want me to stop making weight videos, you know, sometimes I need the battery put in my back. You feel me? So like, cause I sometimes feel like, should I even do them? You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it for so long. You know, that's not all I know. I'm a YouTube creator. You know what I'm saying? I do a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I do everything, a lot of things. You feel me? It's just not one thing, I'm just a waiver. Nah, I'm everything, okay? I'm everything, all right? So, y'all let me know what y'all want. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want me to keep on doing it? Y'all want me to just stop? You know what I'm saying? Y'all want me to do weight videos sometimes and then continue to do other stuff? But I got planned. I'm not continue because I haven't did it yet, but the stuff that I have planned next, y'all want me to do that? Still, I'm gonna do that still anyways, but I don't know, just put some recommendations out there, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all see, she kind of antsy right now because she hungry, really. I'm finna feed her. But I'm watching her right now, you know. Mom's at work and everything, so. You know, I'll say I want to do this video and she want to be all in the video too, huh? Right. Huh? But yeah, man, with that being said, man, yeah. I'm sounding like a tape recorder because I keep saying the same thing, so I'm about to end this thing, man. All right? But I love y'all, man. And more to come. And y'all just stay tuned for that, man. Y'all already know 2018 is our year. Also, we're on the road to 100K. I think we at like 93K right now. So we need 7K, you feel me? We about to get there, man. We didn't hit it, unfortunately, before 2018, but it's okay, though. No rush. No rush. And once we hit 100K, it's going to be only up from there anyway. So we ain't stopping. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to do what we do. You feel me? With that being said, man, if you great, they going to hate. I brought it back. Yeah. Deuces.
I ain't nothing like you fucking rap niggas. Hustle man, a shooter, that's a fact, nigga. 32 extendos in my Mac, nigga. Spend 1,000